Is your Chevy Trax key fob not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. This section provides a quick guide to replacing it. First, you'll need a new CR232 battery and a small flathead screwdriver or coin. Locate the small seam or slot on your key fob. This might be hidden. Carefully pry open the case. Remove the old battery, noting the correct polarity, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Finally, carefully snap the key fob case back together, making sure it's aligned correctly. Test the fob to see if it now works. If your Chevy Trax key fob still isn't working after battery replacement, start by double-checking the battery installation. Ensure the battery polarity is correct, positive side up, and use a fresh CR2032 battery. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol to remove corrosion. If issues continue, it may be signal interference or a BCM software glitch in 2019-2022 models. Have the fob reprogrammed by a dealer or using an OBD2 tool. As alternatives, use Chevy's digital key system with your smartphone for access. Consider rechargeable CR2032 batteries for future replacements.